we're using our first product, GDI Wash and Wax. It's our premium product for washing your car. It's got more carnauba wax in it than any other product on the market. And we're going to use our foaming gun on the pressure gun, and we'll give you a quick demonstration now on how it's applied and how well it works. So here we go. Start from the top, work your way down, because if you start from the bottom, you're just pushing rubbish onto your car sort of thing. So here we go. Apply a liberal amount on each side of the car. As you can see, it sticks rather well, it doesn't run off the car at all. Foams up so well. So that's one car, and we haven't even used a quarter of a bottle. So technically you probably get about 4 or 5 cars out of one bottle, which would be good for your family. If you've got 3 or 4 cars at home, get all the family out, get all your cars out, wash them all at once, make a family day of it. All right, so always start from the top of your car, work your way down, slowly around your mirrors, you know, using the 10-inch broom. It's got everything on the sides, so basically you don't have to touch the sides with your car. You don't have to worry about damaging it with the plastic, as it's got all the broom all the way around it. We're using the extendable pole, so just in case you might have a full drive or a truck or etc., your extendable pole can go out from anywhere from 1.8 metres to 3 metres. All available in-house with ACS Rotech. So what we're going to do now is we're going to hose all the soap and everything off the car. We're using a pressure cleaner that we sell in-house as well, called JetWave. It's also diesel powered as well for your hot water. Yeah, nice big wand, nice length of hose. We'll kick off, I suppose. Using a perforated chamois, which we sell in a pack of 3. Slowly glide over, just gently go over. You don't need to put much pressure on it at all. You just slide it across your bonnet or your roof. Good for a nice Sunday relaxing afternoon with the family out the front washing the cars.